treat yourself to a test drive in the 2013 Kia Optima. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and a 2-liter 4-cylinder engine. A turbocharger further enhances performance while also preserving fuel economy. Top features include remote keyless entry, delay-off headlights, a built-in garage door transmitter, a trip computer, automatic temperature control, and more. Passenger security is always assured thanks to the various safety features such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a security system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. For added security, Dynamic Stability Control supplements the drivetrain. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.